Well, hello guys, and welcome to another Node.js tutorial. My name is Ben. In this class we are going to focus again on create or registering the URLs, and from where we left we were doing access token, and let's test whether we were able to use token. Yeah, so we were able to obtain the access token successfully, so that's good. So in this class we are going to now register the URLs, and the first thing I would like to do is to remove this request, because we will always be having these requests. So we'll create a new function here that will use so create a function that will be able to create us our access token. So let's say access, let me just call it access equals to no. Then we pass the same parameters, so request, response, and finally next. And this function will contain everything that we had in our access token. So I'll just cut this, paste it inside here, and few things I will do is I will change this one from requests to from response to requests dot access token, because we'll be accessing that, we'll be actually getting the access token. So dot body dot, we need to access the access token, but we already passed it. So one thing I'm not sure is whether it's going to work or not. And then the next thing is now we call that method so we can continue. And then here on our access token we will require that access like that, and we can say response dot status, standard status of 200, and we want to JSON. What are we sending? Saying access token is equals main. Access token is request dot access token like that. And let's see whether we have broken our code or not. So we can go back and reload this. Yeah, we have broken it. Specifically, request is not defined. Request dot access token, and here you have request. Oh, and I missed here. So request. Go back, reload it. There you go. So we have our access token again, but now using a different method. Zoom out a little so you can see the whole thing. So initially this whole method was inside this. Now we have removed it. It's now outside here. So the next thing that I want us to do is to now register the URLs, and we'll use the access token. So instead of creating the function for getting the access token, we'll be getting it directly. So I'll push this just down there because we don't need it anymore. And then the next thing I want is to app.get, and here we'll register our URLs. So let me just do this, register, and we'll also have our access token because we'll require it. The next thing we'll do is we need request, and we have response, which is going to give us this. And now here these are totally different requests, so we'll declare the variables or the things that we're going to use. And the first one is the URL. This is what will be provided for in Daraja. So normally this is how we assign it. Good. Next thing is the access token. Access token, let me just say authentication. So let me just say out is equals to, we'll require it from our request dot access token, which is there. And then now we are ready to roll. So we put okay. Now it's supposed to be bearer. Yeah? So let's say bearer. So bearer space, and then copy that. So next thing is we need to, that is our requests, somewhere like this, then we need to pass these, and then finally here we have our function. The function will return three things. So we'll have an error, we have our response, and we have our body. Yeah, like that. And if we get any error, we will have to console.log the error and show it. So error. But if we don't get any error, then we need to response dot status, send status of 200 dot JSON, and whatever we want to send is the body. The body, then here we'll pass the URL, which is what we'll have up there. Next thing is the method. M-PESA requires us to send a post request. Next thing that we want to pass is the headers. Headers is an object of as an object, so here we need to pass authorization, and whatever it is on is up there. Good. Then from there we need to send our JSON body, which is again an object. And now if we go to our documentation for M-PESA, we need to pass in, when registering the URLs, we need to pass the shortcode, the response type. We can just copy this and then modify it on our end. So let's paste them here like this. So I'll also log in and get my test credentials. In the meantime, I'll just remove this one. Okay, let me just remove this part. Okay, and then I can just remove this. So copy, find, and I'll place this on my IP address. Report, and I'm done. Next two things is I need this one, and I only want complete transactions. And here I need to log in to my Daraja portal. Documentation, go to test credentials, pardon, and I need to copy my shortcode 1. So I go there and paste the shortcode 1 there. So this is now ready to roll. So if this one works correctly, then you're good to go. If it doesn't, then it'll come and fix the error. So let's just go and test it out. Right, yeah, so go here again and register the URLs. So finally we have our response is not defined. Let me check. Actually response, not res. Yes. So we go back, reload it, and we have an error. Option URL is required. Man, I forgot about this. Yeah, we need the URL. So let me go back to Daraja. And what URL do we need? We need just a URL. And we come and paste it there, save it, and now we are ready to roll. Go back again and try. Yep, and we have successfully registered our URLs. So in the next class we'll deal with the simulation. Now we'll create our confirmation and validation URLs, and we will be able now to see what we have done. In the meantime, let me know what you think about so far on what we have done. If you like what you see and would like to see more, kindly consider subscribing. It is of great value to us. And if you're new, like, subscribe, invite others, share the videos, and let's meet in our next class. So thank you very much. Let's meet.